video, I'll demonstrate you about mini library management system which I developed using Java. I'll walk you through how I use different data structures like binary search tree, queue, stack and slightly linked list to build the system. First, I use a binary search tree to manage the book inventory. Each book is sorted using its ISBN number as the key. The BST allows me to insert new books into the library, delete books, and use in-order transversal to display all books in sorted order. So here's the code for the BST and a quick demo of how it's insert and display books. To handle borrow requests from users, I use a queue. When a user wants to borrow a book, their request is added to the end of the queue using enqueue. When a book is issued, it's removed from the front of the queue using dequeue. This ensures the FIFO principle. FIFO principles means first in, first out principle. Here's the code and the sample output of how borrowing works. Next, I use a stack to manage returns books. When a user returns a book, it is pushed onto the stack. Processing return books uses the pop operation in LIFO order. LIFO order means last in, first out order. This stimulates checking books back into the library one by one. So here's the part of the code that handles returns using a stack. Each user has a slightly linked list to track their borrowing history. Whenever a user browses a book, that book is added to their linked list. When they return a book, it's removed from their list. This structure makes it easy to keep an order record of what each user borrowed and returned. I choose these data structures because they fit naturally with how a real library system works. BST helps to keep the book's records searchable and sorted. Queue ensures fair order of book issuing. Stack helps manage return books in reverse order. Linked lists are great for dynamically tracking per user history. I also modularize my code using separate classes for each data structures to keep the code readable and maintainable. Through this assignment, I learned how data structures can be applied to solve real-world problems like library systems. Implementing them in Java improved my coding and problem-solving skills. I also gained experience in combining multiple structures into one working system. Thanks for watching my presentation.